Question 5. Two blocks are connected by a string. As shown in the figure above, the upper block pull upward by a different string. The mass of the upper and lower blocks are 300 grams and 240 grams, respectively. The string between the blocks will break if its tension exceeds 3.6 newtons, and the string which the combination of upward will break if the tension exceeds 7.8 newtons. Okay, question A. It says, what are the largest upward accelerations the block can be given without either string breaking? And this is take G equals 9.8, which is the gravity. All right, so let's write the given. So we have M1 equals 300, M2 equals 240 grams. The max 2 equals 6.6, or the max equals 7.8. We know gravity equals 9.8. So, equation 1, we will say the tension 1 minus the mass 1 plus mass 2 times gravity equals mass 1 plus mass 2 times acceleration. So we do 1.8 newtons minus 0.3 kilograms, because we convert it into kilograms from grams, plus 2.24 kilograms times 9.8, equaling 0.3 kilograms plus 0.34 kilograms times acceleration. So, to find the fastest one, so what we do is we add all this up and you'll get 4.64 meters per second square. Now we do 2. T2 minus M2G equals M2A. So that means the tension 2 minus the mass of 2 times gravity equals the mass of 2 times acceleration. So you do 3.6 newtons minus 0.24 kilograms times gravity equals 0.24 times acceleration. So what you would do is you multiply this and you get acceleration equals 5.2 milligrams per second. So for A, It's as what is the largest upward acceleration that the block can be given without either string breaking. And that will be 4.64 meters per second square. The second question, B, it says if the upward acceleration, so the upward acceleration is slightly higher than this, which string would break? The string that would break would be the one in between. Reason being, when you do the math, it shows that the one in between takes less force to break based on our calculations from example or equation 1.